Little update, checking out the Mooseburger area. Looks like they got some new poles in there, or old poles, and they just put them in. The door, the entrance is boarded up. Interesting. Al Michelle's big discovery. There's a ladder.
Hi.
So yeah, still no word if it's gonna open. Yeah, that's the new attraction, the ladder. Still not sure when it'll open, what it will be exactly, besides a barbecue place. Will the name change? Who knows? But yeah, see what happens. Nothing down here changed. Okay. Wish I could see a little better in the window. Yeah, thinking about it now, that's a new window. Still can't see in. Cool.